another Airsoft unboxing video. So I purchased this e-bike. It's their box of awesomeness. It was 150-ish, I guess. This box of awesomeness was called a Dynamic Duo. So let's go ahead and open it. Alright, let's see what we got. I opened it upside down. Oh. So, first thing I got is a pistol, WE. Oh, no way. I got a Glock 18C by WE. Holy crap. Yeah, so the Glock 18C is the military version of the Glock, I guess. I'm pretty sure. And the C means you could go fully automatic. And it has a metal tip threaded barrel. And it's got some vents at the top. Sorry, there's a glare inside. But yeah, can't believe I got this one. It's gas blowback. I didn't even know they sold it there. I think you have to buy it separately. But yeah, that's a big win. Because, as of what I know, you can only buy it overseas, like Airsoft Asia or whatever. But yeah, that's a big win for me. So that's the pistol. The next thing I got is an Airsoft sack. And looks like I got one of the bonus items, 20 gram BBs and a Thunder B shell. Alright, and the Glock manual. Alright, now, the moment I've been waiting for is the actual gun. And it looks like I got an Echo 1. Looks like another Scar, because I'm pretty sure that was the only Echo 1 thing they were giving away. The Scar H, I believe, in 10. But hopefully, let's see. Because I already won a Scar L Echo 1 in black from the last box of awesomeness I got. But, you never know. Oh, okay. Well, it's not a Scar. Good thing. It is a Rifle Dynamics AK-47. Wow, this is nice too. Full metal, polymer handguard, and a Picatinny rail at the top. And battery goes in the top. Wow, it's pretty nice. Comes with a battery, a key to wind your mag, the mag, 2 mags, yeah. So overall, this was a pretty good mystery box of awesomeness I got. So I got a Glock 18C by WE, which I didn't even know you could win, or even get in the US, because I thought they discontinued it in America. So you have to buy it from, like, yeah, overseas. So yeah, I got an AK, Glock, an Airsoft sack, and some BBs, and 2 mags for an AK. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoyed this video.